Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Let's see where we were last time.
Okay, let's review quickly the lesson 4, conditional branch using if statements, right? We can use if and sometimes else to do different things depending on the value of, say, I, right? Let's see the code. So go to Google Colab, open EX1, and then connect and go all the way down to where we were last time. So here we started to write for loops, and then we learned to do calculation. We learned to do sum, do different things depending on the value of I. In this case, we can check whether it is even or odd and do different things depending. So this one, okay? So, okay, quickly do the homework. Add three multiples of 3 between 0 and 20. This is easy, right? Let's do it from the beginning. So here, yeah, looking at this, sometimes we write sum equals 0, or then shall we use n this time? N in, what is this? What is happening here? Range, was it between 0 and 20? Okay. What is happening here? Something is different, strange. Range 20. What is this? Something is strange happening. I do not like this. Okay. For I in range 21, colon. What is this? Something strange is happening. And then if, what is the problem again? Complete the multiples, okay? So this time we should divide by 3. What is this? And if the sum is equal to 0, colon, add to my sum, that number, add to my sum. Okay, this is all. After we finish the loop, print the sum. Okay, let's do it. So it's like 23, okay? Fine, very easy. Okay, so let's go to today's work. Lesson 5, conditional branch, continued. Print far, foo, and bar alternatively. Okay, how can we do this? Maybe maybe between 0 and 20, okay? So maybe you know how to do it, just the same. So let's do it. So for I in range, shall we start it from 1 to 20? That's really up to you. So if I percentage 0 equals 0, then print foo, else is enough. Print bar. Okay, this is good enough. Bar foo, bar foo, bar foo. So it starts with 1. Maybe I should write equals 1 here because the first number is 0. Okay, let's do it from 0. So let's change it to maybe 20 here, and then will be like it starts from foo. Good. Okay. Then how about let's see the code. How about bingo, foo, and bar alternative. The same, yeah, in turn. So it's the same. This time we divide by 3, and depending on the remainder, maybe, yeah, in this case we can use elif I divide 3% 3 equals 1, then print, okay, this is bingo, this is foo, and then else bar, okay? This will give us what we want. Printing bingo, foo, bar in turn. Bingo, foo, bar, okay? So remember, if we use if, elif, and else, that's what we can use. We can add more elifs if we want. Okay, let's continue. How many numbers are even and at the same time 3 is multiple between 0 and 20? Okay, let's check that. So maybe you know how to do that. Okay. Shall we do it? Maybe we can change this. So in this time, what we want is counter. So reset the counter, initialize the counter to 0, and even, and 3 is multiple. Okay, so maybe we can forget about this. So it's same. Even and divisible by 3. Divisible by I is divisible by 2, and at the same time divisible by 3. Then increment the counter equals 1. This is all. Okay. Maybe we can print my count last time. Okay, this is simple. Okay, there are 4. Maybe we can print them all each time the condition is met. So 0, okay, 0, 6, 12, 18. As you know, it's multiple of 6. It's the same equivalent to multiple of 6, right? So maybe we can use here. The count is my count. This will be more. This easier to understand, right? 0, 6, 12, 18. The count is 4. Okay, good. How about what is the sum of those? Okay, it's easy. Stop the video and do it again. Do it yourself. Okay, is it easy, right? So instead of doing my count, of course you can use any one. So you can change this to my sum and add, instead of 1, add I. Okay, so the sum is my sum. I think this will help. This will be perfect. Okay, 0, 6, 12, 18. The sum is 36. You know how it works, right? So the new thing is and here. Okay. Same, even or 3 is multiple. Okay, stop the video and try it yourself. Good. Maybe it's so easy. Same. Let's do it. Actually, in Python, it's interesting, but we can write this way. Reset, initialize both my count and my sum to 0. And then maybe you can write, yeah, you can change this to or and print my count plus equals 1 and print I and write Yeah, maybe we can change this here. The count is count and the sum is my sum. Okay, I think this is good enough. So you can use or here. So they are 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. The count is 13 and the sum is 117. Good. It's right. It's simple, right? Then neither even nor 3 is multiple. This is a bit tricky. One way is to do okay, neither even nor 3 is multiple. So what is the way? One way is changing this to exclamation and change this to and check the result. How about this? Okay, seems fine. 1, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, so here is one way to do it. The other way is, okay, let's copy and comment out. So here we can comment out the first line and write not here and bringing it back to, yeah, think later why it works. Okay, so negating the last condition. This will give, sorry, here it's the indentation is strange. Okay, the same thing. Okay, so I told you, I showed you two ways. This is kind of logical one, and the other is more easier to understand. Okay, you can try yourself and find that this is correct, logically correct. Okay, now it's the time to finish. Okay, be sure to save that file. Okay, homework. Find the count and sum of numbers that are even or 3 is multiple between 1 and 30. Very easy. Just do it yourself. Okay, that's all for today. Let's see in another lesson. Okay, I hope you will come back. Bye bye.